Welcome to today video lecture series. For the topic is 3D printing and its components in aerospace industry. First, we know that how the brief history of 3D printing will be enabled. In the year of 1970, at that time, before that we are followed the normal machining process. After the year of 1970, we followed is a machining process is invention method in the addition of 3D printing. So before we go into that, we know about what is a machining and what is unconventional machining process. So this is a machining process is a conventional machining process is mean by there is a straight contact between the tool and workpiece. For example, in lathe machines, we need to reduce some type of working components or some type of machining components we insert in this tool component, and there is a straight connection between the lathe machine and the given workpiece. So this is a conventional machining process. So in addition, the other type of machining process is unconventional machining process. So already we told about that unconventional machining process means it is there is no direct contact between tool and workpiece. There is a lot of method will be implemented in the unconventional machining process for a given final output product. For example, there is an abrasive jet machining process and laser beam welding process. Generally, in welding process, there is a tool or some type of electrode or some type of rod will be fixed between the connecting through the gas cylinder, and there is a straight application into the workpiece. But in the laser beam welding process, in the workpiece, it between the some type of some distances will be molded in the particular job. There is some laser lace will be applied to the what we need to get is the given output. There is some type of laser will be implemented on the workpiece. Finally, they will get the output of the workpiece. So this is a machining types of process. So here in our topic is 3D printing component in aerospace industry. So in unconventional machining process will be used in 3D printing of machining components. So in 3D printing, there is 3 steps will be followed in the final output product. First one is in designing section, and second one is in part orientation and experimental session, and the third one is in a final output of a product session. So here in designing session of the 3D printing, there is a lot of softwares will be implemented for user design of the given input program. So here in mechanical field, there is a software will be is in SolidWorks will be used and KTR softwares will be used. But mostly the software will be implemented for is in a CAD design software. So in the CAD design software, we work out for the what will be the input or what will be the final output product will be imagined in our mind. Then we have to maintain that given input into the particular CAD modeling software. And the next will be in some testing condition in that final part of a design section. And after that, there is a experimental part. We will allocate at the what are the input we are given in the CAD modeling. We choosing that type of a material into for the experimental session part. So for example, the experimental session part will be maximum used is some type of a composites material or some type of polymer resins and polyvinyl chloride, and some type of layer components will be used for the 3D printing software. So the final output or final experimentation will be located in the 3D printing machines. So normally the 3D printing will be having the particular components of an bed section and a movable layer section and the polyvinyl trip out section, and here it will be a off and on section of the particular given product. So there is a used lever will be implemented in the 3D printing machining components, and that it will be make and take some type of some amount of time will be for the given output of the manufacturing diagram. So this is a design process, and this is an experimental process of 3D printing technology. So in 3D printing technology, the components will be used in aerospace industries, basically of some component is in a propeller section and wing blade section and some amount of layer section or other type of section. These are the small introduction about 3D printing components will be implemented in aerospace industry. Thank you.